Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to send money through Zelle with Fifth Third Bank. Open the website, then log in with your user ID and password. Once logged in, you will see several tabs on the left side of the screen. Click on the tab that says Send Money with Zelle. On this tab, you will see several options. Click on Send. Now, select the recipient. So if you haven't added any recipients yet, click on the Add New Recipient button. Under Receipt Information, there is a question which asks if you are sending to a business. If yes, click on the tick box beside it. In this video, we are only sending to a person, so we leave the tick box as it is. Now, enter the first name, last name, and the phone number or email address of the recipient. After entering all the necessary information, click on Next. Then, a pop-up reminder will appear. Make sure to read it, and once done, click on the Next button. Now enter the amount you wish to send. After entering, click on Next. Review the following details. Also, you could state the reason for sending the money. But this is just optional. So after reviewing, and if everything looks good, click on Send. That's how you send money through Zelle with Fifth Third Bank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.